If you've been searching online for remote job opportunities or looking for a service that can help you outsource talent for your business, chances are you've stumbled across pearltalent.com, a platform that says it connects companies with skilled remote workers from the Philippines, Latin America, and South Africa. But the real question is Pearl Talent a legit platform you can trust, or could it be a scam that you need to be careful with? At first glance, the website does look professional and has been registered since July 2019. Which already makes it more established than the many brand new platforms that appear and disappear overnight. They also maintain an active presence on social media, particularly on Instagram and Facebook, and even go a step further by showing details about their co-founders, Monty and Isaac, which adds a sense of transparency that many questionable sites lack. On top of that, they provide a wide variety of job roles for different skill sets and experience levels, making the platform attractive to both job seekers and companies looking to expand their remote teams. But once you start digging deeper, you'll notice there are still some uncertainties that you can't ignore. The biggest concern is that most of the positive reviews are published directly on their own site. And while they sound great, they could easily be cherry-picked or written in a way to highlight only the best experiences. There isn't a huge amount of independent third-party feedback or verified testimonials from outside sources, which makes it harder to measure their true reputation. This doesn't necessarily mean Pearl Talent is unreliable, but it does leave potential users in a gray zone where the platform shows plenty of good signs but still lacks enough external validation to fully prove its trustworthiness. So while Pearl Talent could be worth exploring if you're careful, it's important to do your own research, double-check any claims, and approach with a balanced mindset, keeping in mind both the positives and the red flags before making any big commitments.